Can probability change after getting new information? Suppose you are a student of class 11 and suppose I tell you one student has been selected for any scholarship. So without knowing anything else, you can estimate the probability that the student is from class 11. But now I provide you a new information that the student has scored 90% in mathematics. So will this information change your previous probability? Absolutely, it will change. Exactly. That is the case where one of the powerful thinking of probability comes in. That is the Bayes theorem. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In our today's video, we are going to discuss about the Bayes theorem from the very beginning, derive the formula and calculate an important example to understand the formula and learn how to check which example will be solved through Bayes theorem. So let's begin. Before learning the formula of Bayes theorem, understand one idea. Bayes theorem helps us update probability when new information becomes available. So let us consider one example. Suppose we have two boxes, say box 1 which has 3 red ball and 2 blue ball, and box 2 which has 1 red ball and 3 blue ball. Now one box is selected randomly and one ball is drawn from the box. Imagine the ball drawn is red. Now the question is, what is the probability that the ball is drawn from box 1? Notice one important thing. We are not simply asking here what is the probability of getting a red ball. We already know that the ball drawn is red. So we work here backward and determine which box probably selected. And that is the basic idea behind Bayes theorem. So before going to the formula, let us quickly recall about conditional probability. Now, if we want to find the probability of A when B has already occurred, we write this probability in this form. And what its definition? P of A intersection B by probability of B. Similarly, we can write P of B by A, that is, this one is the probability of B when A has already occurred. And we can write this one P B intersection A by P of A. So from here we can write what is P of A intersection B. This one equal to P of B upon A and P of A. Now I can replace this value in our previous equation. Therefore, P of A by B equal to, I write P of A intersection B by this one, P of B by A into P of A by P of B. So that is our Bayes theorem formula. So our Bayes theorem states that P of A by B equal to P of B by A multiplied P of A by P of B. Now don't try to memorize this formula blindly. Firstly, understand what each term mean. Now what is P of A? P of A is our prior probability. Prior probability. That is the probability we have previously known. P of B by A, that is probability of B when A has already occurred, that is the likelihood probability. likelihood probability. That is, these two we may easily calculate before getting new information. Now, what is probability of B? Probability of B is the probability of evidence. Probability of evidence. That is the new information. And P of A by B. That is the posterior probability. That is, this is our updated probability. So, we can memorize it as prior probability plus evidence equal to, you will get the updated probability. That is, the information of B will change the probability of A. That is the Bayes theorem states. That is, when you get new information, your previous probability will change. Now we will solve our previous example. We have two boxes. Box 1 contains 3 red balls and 2 blue balls. Box 2 contains 1 red ball and 2 blue balls. Now one box is selected randomly and a ball is drawn from the box. Now imagine the ball drawn is red. Now what is the probability of getting this red ball from box 1? So we write, say A is the event of selecting box 1, that is choosing box 1. Choosing box 1, and B means choosing box 2, and we write X selecting or drawing a red ball. Drawing a red ball. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate, we know this one, that is, we know we draw a red ball. Now what is the probability this red ball is drawing from box 1, that is P of A by X. We have to calculate this term. And from the Bayes theorem, what we get? This one is P of X by A into P of A by P of X. That is coming from Bayes theorem. Now what is P of A? P of A means choosing box 1. So there are only two boxes. We can choose box 1. Its probability is half. And what is P of X by A? That is, when you choose box 1 or when you select box 1, what is the probability of getting a red ball? So there are 3 red balls and 2 blue balls. So total ball is 5 and red ball is 3. So P of X by A equal to 3 by 5. Now we have to calculate what is P of X. What is this one? This is the probability of drawing a red ball. Now this event may happen in two ways. That is, we can draw a red ball from box 1 or we can draw a red ball from box 2. So this is the total probability of getting or drawing a red ball from the boxes. So what is its value? If I select box 1 and choose drawing a red ball, that is P of A intersection X, or that is plus P of B intersection X. That is, this event may happen in two different ways, either from box 1 or from box 2. So from conditional probability, we can write this one as P of X by A into P of A plus P of X by B into P of B. Now we calculate the value of this probability. So what is P of X? P of X by A. P of X by A means 3 by 5. P of A means half plus. What is P of X by B? X by B means selecting B, that is box 2, and then drawing a red ball. So from this box, probability of getting a red ball 1 by 5, and probability of B, that is selecting box 2, that one also half. So this one you can take half as common, 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5, that is half 4 by 5. So what is the probability of this one? P of A by X. This one equal to P of X by means 3 by 5 multiply half, and this one half multiply 4 by 5. So I can cancel half and result is 3 by 4. Now here is a very important exam trick. Whenever you observe in a question, there is a result which already happened and you have to find the probability of the cause. Then you think about Bayes theorem. Suppose a defective product is selected. What is the probability that this product came from factory A? In our previous question, red ball is selected. What is the probability that this red ball is selected from box 1? In all these situations, we are moving from effect to cause. So Bayes theorem helps us to find out the probability of cause. So that is the classic of Bayes theorem. So if you think this video helps you to understand the Bayes theorem clearly, don't forget to share, like and subscribe my channel, and share this video to your friends who are learning probability. In our next video, we will do some important and exam oriented problems related to Bayes theorem. That's how things actually begin. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you.